Hello friends, in this vlog we are going to compare B Pharmacy and Diploma in Pharmacy. As in such, there is no comparison between B Pharmacy and Diploma in Pharmacy, as B Pharmacy is in graduation course and another one is in diploma course. But after doing both the courses, B Pharmacy and Diploma in Pharmacy, you are getting in jobs and you are getting in license. So it's little bit comparison is there. So let's compare in this video the B Pharmacy and D Pharmacy. So let's begin.
Bachelor of Pharmacy versus Diploma in Pharmacy. So let's get the features of B Pharmacy and Diploma in Pharmacy, the level, duration, course, focus and career. Coming towards the level, the B Pharmacy is a Bachelor of Pharmacy, it's a graduation course, and Diploma in Pharmacy is a full-time diploma course, that is post HSC diploma that you have to do after your 12th. The duration, if we see of B Pharmacy, it's a 4-year duration course, and the duration of diploma is a 2-year course, which is divided in 4 semesters. The course focus, if we see, the course of B Pharm consists of the study of preparing and confer medicines and the drugs for vast numbers of illness and deficiencies. In the course of B Pharm, the students study about the medicines, drugs, medicinal chemistry, pharmaceutical engineering and etc. So I can say that the B Pharm students get built up with the academic knowledge much better. While completing his B Pharm, he gets the knowledge of many subjects. So after completion of B Pharm, he can very easily get a job in diploma colleges for teaching diploma students. The course focus of diploma, if we see, the program and its course has been designed in order to prepare candidates so that they can work under the supervision of an expert and licensed pharmacist. The syllabus of D Pharm is designed in such a way that it is inclusive of both practical and theoretical aspects and subjects pertaining to the field. The course mainly focus in diploma is that the subjects are such a way designed that after completion of D Pharm, the students may get job in many pharmacy shops, in company they may get easily marketing jobs because they get much knowledge, practical as well as theoretical, while their D Pharm courses. If we come to career, B Pharm has a wide options of career. As it's in graduation course, you may proceed for your higher studies after your graduation. You have an wide options of career opportunities. Job sectors are many after completion of B Pharm. Coming to the D Pharm career, being a diploma, a narrow range is there of jobs compared to your B Pharm courses as its diploma. B Pharm provides a large numbers of job opportunities and opens the door of both public and private sector. Student can practice as pharmacist after their completion of their B Pharm course. They can then work in a wide range of industries related to manufacture, prescription, provisions of medicine. The course of D Pharma prepares students so that they can enable for providing assistance in drug distribution, narcotic control, computer processing, third-party billing, pre-packing pharmaceuticals and clearer and other such duties that are necessary. The program of D Pharma is career-oriented course in the medical field of pharmaceutical science, which is designed to familiarize the candidates with all the basic concepts of pharmaceutical science. If we see the eligibility criteria and the eligibility criteria for D Pharm and B Pharm, it's same. You have to pass your 12th class, your higher secondary education from a science stream. But to get an admission to B Pharma course, you need to crack an entrance examination. While that to get admission in diploma colleges, there is no such entrance exam. So it's better to get easily admissions in diploma colleges after your completion of 12th. After your completion of 12th also, getting the diploma courses, admission in diploma courses, and then pursuing the diploma of 2 years, you can also get admission in B Pharma. In direct second year admission you can get after your completion of D Pharma. There are many job opportunities when you complete your D Pharma course. You can get job at drug stores of private or government hospital. You can work in health clinics, NGOs, community health centers. You may get entry-level jobs in pharmaceutical companies at various divisions like process control, manufacturing, quality control. You can work as medical representative. If you have entrepreneurial spirit, you can open your own retail wholesale shops. Generally, the initial salary in the job after completion of diploma range from 8 to 20,000. But a lot also depends upon your merits, interpersonal skills, profiles of your employer, your job profile and your job location. Jobs opportunity, if we see after B Pharma, it's a wider actually coming to us. When you complete your B Pharma, as it's a graduation course, you get some job in medical underwriting, marketing jobs, quality control, production, own business or self-employment. You may go for post-graduation and higher studies after your completion of B Pharma. If you find my video informative and interesting, then do like it, share it, and if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.